Build a custom system for your machine tools with Loc-Line coolant hose and fittings. The ball and socket snap-in system offers complete customization. To connect hose and fittings, clamp pliers over the connection point and squeeze. To disconnect, clamp onto the connection point and pull the pliers handles apart. The labeled assembly pliers help easily identify positioning for faster installation. The bend and stay hose stays put without shifting under vibration or heavy flow. Coolant supply connectors offered in ball socket, press fit, threaded, flared tube, and on-off threaded. Connect your machine's coolant source to your hose system. Y, 90-degree elbow, T, and straight hose connectors join or redirect hose and fittings in your coolant system. Use straight and Y female to male reducers to connect hose and fittings of different trade sizes. Nozzles direct coolant exactly where it's needed. Options include straight stream, straight flat flared, straight multi-stream, 90-degree elbow multi-stream, T-stream, and multi-T multi-stream. Complete your system with on-off valves, clamps, check valves, and end caps. And for areas exposed to harsh chemicals, see Loc-Line's acid-resistant system on McMaster.com.